Hello, my name is Dylan Bray, and today my topic is the accounting equation from the learning module Accounting Systems, from the class Accounting and Financial Concepts of Business. What is the accounting equation? The accounting equation is a basic tool of accounting, measuring the resources of the business, what the business owns or has control of, and the claims to those resources, what the business owes to creditors and to the owners. The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity. And in this accounting equation, both sides of the equal sign must equal the same. An example would be if assets equals $100,000 and liabilities is $60,000, that means equity would have to be $40,000 in order to equal the $100,000 of the assets. Assets. An asset is an economic resource that is expected to benefit the business in the future. Some examples of assets are cash, inventory, furniture, and land. Assets are something of value the business owns or has control of. Liabilities. Liabilities are debts that are owed to creditors. Some examples of liabilities are accounts payable, notes payable, and salaries payable. A liability would be if you gave a business a startup loan, then in return you would have some claim of the business assets until they can pay you back. Many liabilities have the word payable in their title because it's something the business owes. Equity. Equity is the owner's claims to the assets of the business. The amount of assets that are left over after the company has paid its liabilities represents equity and is also the company's net worth. Equity is also known as owner's equity. As the owner contributes to the business and adds revenues, the equity will increase. Equity equals owner's capital minus owner's withdrawals plus revenues minus expenses. The equity will decrease with expenses and owner withdrawals. Applying the accounting equation. Entry-level professional. Entry-level professionals will not have control over anything in the accounting equation because they are simply doing whatever the mid-level professionals are telling them to do. Mid-level professional. Mid-level professionals will have control over assets because they will control the inventory and production. Executive level professional. The executive level professionals will have control over liabilities, which is salaries payable, accounts payable, and notes payable, and they will also have control over equity, which is capital, withdrawals, revenue, and expenses. The executive level professionals will have control over both of these because they are the only ones with the authority to control them. Thank you for taking the time to review this presentation, and I hope by reviewing this presentation you will have learned a little bit more about the accounting equation than you did before.